Let's begin.
Mr. B, help, my computer is broken.
Broken? It looks fine, Anna.
No, the audio is broken. I am trying to listen to a native speaker, but he is speaking alien language.
Alien language? Let me hear.
Listen to this. He said, "What are you gonna do?"
What are you gonna do? Okay.
See? That is not English. Is that Klingon? Is it French?
It is English, Anna. It's just fast English.
Fast English is impossible. They eat the words, they chew them and spit them out.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast by Mr. B. Today, we are solving Anna's nightmare.
My nightmare of the eating words.
We are talking about why you don't understand fast English and how to fix it.
Please fix it. My ears are crying.
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, what are you gonna do will be easy for you.
That is a great goal, but I don't believe you yet.
First, you need to understand the secret. Native speakers are lazy.
Lazy? But they speak so fast. That is energetic.
No, we speak fast because we want to save energy. We connect words together so we don't have to stop breathing.
So you are lazy breathers.
Exactly. We call this connected speech.
Connected speech? Like a train?
Yes, the words hook together. Let's look at your alien phrase. What are you gonna do?
It sounds like a tropical fruit. I would like one "what are you gonna do," please.
It's actually 4 words. What are you going to do?
Wait, what are you going to do becomes what are you gonna do?
Exactly.
That is cheating. You deleted half the letters.
We did. Let's break it down. First, what are becomes water.
Water. Like water?
Close. Water. Then going to becomes gonna.
I know gonna. That is the classic lazy word.
Perfect. So, what are you going to do turns into what are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? Wow, when I say it slowly, I can hear the hidden words.
That's the trick. You have to learn the sound of the phrase, not just the reading.
Okay, give me another one. I want to decode the secret messages.
All right, here is a very common one. Yet.
Yet. Is that a jet plane?
No planes. Yet.
Did you eat yet?
Exactly. You got it. Did you eat yet becomes yet. Why does did you sound like ja? Good ear. When a word ends in D and the next word starts with Y, they mix. D plus Y equals J.
D plus Y equals J. English math is weird.
It is. Did you becomes did you.
Did you? Did you see the movie?
Perfect. Did you call your mom?
Did you bring the pizza?
Always with the pizza. But yes, that is exactly right.
Okay, this is making sense. It's not magic, it's just mixing sounds.
Short and clear. Now, let's talk about the disappearing T.
The disappearing T? Is this a magic show?
Kind of. In American English, if a T is in the middle of a word, it often disappears or changes.
For example?
The word Internet. How do you say it?
Internet. I pronounce every letter because I am a good student.
You are a good student, but a native speaker often says Internet.
Internet. Where did the T go?
It ran away. Internet, international, Cenner.
Cenner. You mean center?
Exactly. Meet me at the city center.
That sounds so relaxed. Internet, center. I feel cooler already.
You sound very cool. Now, here is the biggest secret of all, the schwa.
The schwa. That sounds like a dance move. Do the schwa.
It's not a dance, it's a sound. The sound.
That is the sound I make when I'm confused.
It is also the most common sound in English. We use it for vowels that aren't important.
Unimportant vowels. Poor vowels.
For example, look at the word banana. Ba-na-na. 3 A's. But we don't say ba-na-na, we say ba-na-na.
Banana. So the A becomes a.
Yes, only the middle A is strong. The others become lazy schwas.
Banana. It sounds like a zombie asking for fruit. Banana.
A zombie vegetarian. But this helps you understand fast English.
How?
Because if you listen for banana, you will miss it. You need to listen for the rhythm. Da-da-da.
Rhythm. Okay, so English is music.
Exactly. Don't listen for every letter. Listen for the stressed words.
The stressed words are the loud ones?
Yes, imagine this sentence. I want to go to the store.
I want to go to the store.
A native speaker says, I want to go to the store.
Wanna go to. To becomes ta?
Yes, to is not important, so it becomes a schwa, ta.
I wanna go to the store. Mr. B, this is so much easier to say.
It flows better, right?
Yes, my mouth doesn't have to work so hard.
That is the point. Fast English is actually lazy English.
I love being lazy. This is my favorite lesson ever.
I knew you would like it.
So if I want to understand movies, I should stop looking for perfect words.
Correct. Stop looking for the dictionary spelling. Start listening for the sound blocks.
Sound blocks. Gonna, wanna, didju, water.
You are getting it. Now, are you ready to test your ears?
I am ready. My ears are open. My brain is lazy. Let's go.
I am going to say a sentence in fast English. You tell me what it means.
Okay, bring it on.
Sentence 1. Lemmeknow.
Lemmeknow? Is that a French dish? Lemmeknow?
No. Let me know if you want pizza.
Ah, let me know.
Perfect. Let me becomes Lemme.
Lemme. Let me sleep, Mr. B.
Not yet. Sentence 2. This is harder.
Okay, I am focused.
I shoulda told ya.
I shoulda told ya. Who is shoulda?
Think about the grammar. I should have.
I should have told you.
Yes, should have becomes shoulda, and told you becomes told ya.
I shoulda told ya. Wow, that is so fast.
But now you understand it.
I do. It feels like I unlocked a secret code.
You did, and the more you use these chunks, the better you will understand them.
Let me practice this all week.
Look at you, using Lemme already. I'm proud.
I am a fast learner. Or a lazy learner.
Both are good.
So, Mr. B, I have a question.
Yes?
Now I can hear the words, but I keep forgetting them.
Forgetting them?
Yes, I learn a new word on Tuesday, and by Wednesday it is gone. Poof, disappeared.
Ah, the leaky brain problem.
Yes, my brain leaks. Is there a way to fix that?
There is. There's a specific scientific way to remember vocabulary forever.
Forever? Like until I'm 100 years old?
Yes. Next episode, we're going to talk about the secret to remembering words forever. Memory hacks.
Memory hacks. I need that. I forgot where I put my keys this morning.
We'll fix that too.
Okay, listeners, are you ready for the quick review?
Let's lock in these fast phrases. Repeat after us.
Be lazy. Slur your words.
Phrase 1, wanna, want to.
I want to go home.
Phrase 2, gonna, going to.
I'm gonna sleep.
Phrase 3, dunno, don't know.
I dunno the answer.
And phrase 4, did you, did you.
Did you have fun?
I hope you did have fun. Now for the challenge.
The listening challenge.
I am going to say one phrase very fast. You have to write the full English sentence in the comments.
Good luck, it's going to be tricky.
Ready? Here it is. What you doing?
Ooh, what you doin'? That sounds like a cartoon character.
Listen again. What you doing? Write the real words in the comments.
I read every comment, even the ones that say, I dunno.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
See you next time for Memory Hacks.
Bye.